Hello everyone, welcome to Stack Developers YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn what Stack Developer exactly is. Okay, so we are running this channel from a long time now. We have launched this channel in 2018, but still we don't have a single video of Stack Developer. So now we are going to learn this one in this video. So let's start. So you can see there are two words here. One is the stack and the another one is the developer. Okay, so see stack, what stack exactly means. So stack itself means something like collection, or something like many, or we can simply search on Google. Let's see, I am searching earlier on as well. See the meaning of stack. Here you can see it's something number of things. Okay, so collection we can say, or we can say the number of things. Okay, so this is called the stack. Or see, here I am searching in Wikipedia, so it's something like the collection of plates. You can see there are number of things. So stack is exactly means there are number of things. Okay, there is a collection, many things. Okay, so it's the meaning of this stack. And the another one is the developer. So developer means like coder, programmer, like we all are developers. The videos that are watching, students, if watching, they are going to be developer. So developer is who develops the code, like coder, programmer. Okay, so now its stack developer is the combination of both. Stack developer is the combination of both stack plus developer. So what it exactly means, the developer who can do the number of things. Developer who can do the number of things. So which are those number of things? Means that developer can do like Laravel, or we can say the server side coding like PHP. All this come in server side. Okay, this one is the, I hope that everyone knows the server side and client side who is watching this video. Like you can handle the PHP, you can handle the Java. Okay, and you can handle that .NET. Okay, so see this one. And client side like it's like JQuery. Okay, JS. Okay, React, and much more, Vue.js, and much more. Okay, so CSS also. Okay, why not CSS also? So see what the stack developer can do. Stack developer can handle server side, stack developer can handle client side, stack developer can handle the PHP, stack developer can handle the CSS. So stack developer can do anything. PHP, CSS means, it means that see now again, now what is server side? Server side is the backend. We used to call it the backend coding. Backend. Okay, so here see backend coding. And this one client side. What is client side? Client side is the front end coding. Okay, so see the difference here, back end and front end. Now the stack developer can do anything. Stack developer can do the number of things, like PHP can do the PHP, he can code. Okay, he can also design as well, like in Photoshop he can go and he can build the website as well in HTML. Okay, so HTML again is the client side. So the stack developer can do the number of things. Okay, so what is the stack developer exactly? Now now the stack developer is a person. Okay, we can say stack developer, or also we can say stack developer or full stack developer, one and the same thing. Or full stack developer, okay, is a person who can develop, okay, who can develop some kind of software. Okay, and or application or website or application. Okay, and he can handle any part of, we can see, some kind of software, and he can handle any part of the software, website or application. Okay, he can handle any part of it, any part of it. Okay, so see, it is now very much clear. This stack developer or full stack developer is a person who can develop some kind of software, website or application, and he can handle any part of it. Okay, even that is the jQuery, even that is the PHP, even anything. So that is called as a full stack developer. So this thing I am explaining now after so many years. Okay, so I think that I must explain you. So this is the basic question every kid must know this answer. Okay, so anyone can ask that what is the stack developer. You are following the stack developers YouTube channel, but you must tell that what is the stack developer. So see, answer, you must know the answer. In the interviewer can ask you while you are going for the Laravel interview, or you are going for some other interview, they can ask you what is the stack developer, what is the full stack developer. Okay, so see here, I will give you more details. Now I am telling you about stack developer. I am not going to leave you like this, not only going to give you the definition, I am going to give you the examples as well, so that you will be fully aware of the stack developer. Okay, so like, see, I am going to give you my example. See, my website example, e-commerce website example, that uh, uh, we are studying, we are developing from last few years, that is stackdevelopers.in. So every my students know about it, subscribers. Okay, so here, see, this is the website. So see, this website is having the front end, is having the back end. This website is having the client side coding as well as the server side coding. So every website that you are going to develop is having the both client side and server side coding. Okay, so like, see, I am the backend developer. I am going to make this code in Laravel, that is the PHP framework, and my friend, one of my friend, is the designer, that is the front end developer, that can make the HTML of this part. Okay, so there are two person involved. Myself, I am the developer, and my friend who is the designer. Okay, so we are two persons who are making this website. I am giving you the example. Okay, so here we are not called as a full stack developer because two persons are involved here. Okay, so see, if only one person is involved and he also makes the design of the website, and after making the design he also develop the website, do the functionality of the website. Now I'm going to clear you this thing. Like, see, for example, I am going to give you here, for example, this website, like e-commerce website. Okay, e-commerce website. Now see, what is here, first thing I want to tell you, what is the client side here, client side, or we can say front end. Okay, see, both are the one and the same thing. And server side, and it is back end. Okay, so see, what is the client side, front end. So before doing any kind of functionality, if you are in IT field, you must know, every one of you must know, even the students must know, first thing is to make the design of the website. Functionality is only possible if the design is ready. If the HTML is ready, only then the backend developer will come into play. Okay, so see, the first thing is, like in our Laravel e-commerce series, we are building the design, we are having the design of the website, only then we can have the functionality. I get the design from some of my friend, and after that I able to integrate the functionality. So that design is in the HTML, CSS, jQuery is also required in some cases, JS is also required. Okay, and see, Photoshop extra are also required for the client side. Okay, but we will not consider Photoshop because that is the editor, that is the software. See, these are the things, main things, client side, front end, we can say the coding part, languages. So these are required for the client side. Okay, so first we have done in the Laravel e-commerce website, these things we have done first of all, and after that, server side, in server side, our Laravel PHP, that is the Laravel. Okay, we can say the Laravel, it's the Laravel framework. And then MySQL database. Okay, so this one comes here. and we can also say the Ajax both client side and server side. Okay, we will not consider, but see, PHP and MySQL we have used as server side. Now there are another things that I want to tell you, like while making the design, we get this template ready, designer ready this template, like the home page, these listing pages. Okay, so these listing pages gets ready by the designer, that expert designer, UI designer. Okay, so after that we put our coding, means backend developer comes into play, and they come and put their coding into it. Okay, they make the functionality, like if we will click on men section, we click on casual t-shirts, only casual t-shirts are coming here. Okay, like adding products into cart, or placing the order, so all this is the part of the functionality. Okay, so see, there is in the companies, if you will go, there are the front end developer, we will also call it as front end developer, do this front end task, these tasks, and back end developer do the back end tasks. Okay, then comes the full stack developer, like I'm talking about full stack developer, or the stack developer. Okay, full stack developer. Now the full stack developer here can handle, okay, I will write like this, can handle both front end and back end parts. Okay, so full stack developer can handle everything here. Okay, it gets stuck. Okay, so here see, that developer can handle anything. Okay, both the design of the website as well as the coding of the website. Okay, so that is called as the full stack developer. Okay, so I hope that everyone get able to know now what is the full stack developer. Okay, so now there are some advantages and disadvantages of full stack developer. Okay, first of all, we are going to see what are the advantages. Like suppose the interviewer will ask you, tell some advantages of full stack developer. Okay, so that you must also know. So let's see the advantages of full stack developer. So one of the advantages is full stack developer can help all team members. Okay, can help all team members. Okay, as full stack developer knows the front end as well as the back end development, so he can help any developer in the team, any person in the team. Okay, so let's see the another advantage. Okay, so let's make it okay, this is fine. So we can also write like this. So let's see the next one. Cost of the project can be reduced, cost of the project. Okay, so like if there is the small project. Okay, and the company just hire the full stack developer, and that person can handle the front end, back end, everything, and make the complete project ready. Okay, so the cost of the project can be reduced with the help of the full stack developer. Okay, so let's see the another point. So full stack developer can be easily switch between the front and back end development as per the requirement. Suppose the company is having the requirement, like sometime they have the requirement of the front end development and sometime the back end development, so the full stack developer can switch and fulfill the requirement. Okay, so we can write, can switch between front end or back end as per the requirement, as per the company requirement or as per the requirement. Okay, so this is another advantage. And now see, one more advantage, full stack developer can understand all aspects of new and upcoming technology. Okay, so because the full stack developer knows everything, all the things like CSS also, front end also, back end also, everything. So he is also aware of the what's happening in the market. Okay, what's happening in the technology. So we can write, can understand uh, new uh, aspects, new technologies easily. Can understand new technology. We can new technology or techniques. Okay, we will write technologies. TENOGIES. Okay, so can understand new technologies with ease. Okay, all kind of technologies he can understand with ease. Okay, so uh, so these are the some of the advantages. So let's now talk about the disadvantages. There are also some disadvantages uh, of full stack developer. So one is the if the company relies on just one or two full stack developer, uh, it may lead to several tasks piling up over certain period of time. Uh, like uh, if I will tell you, okay, if there are only company hires one full stack developer. Okay, company hire, I'm just telling you, if company hire one full stack developer instead of 2 3 developers, means company is not hiring front end developer, company is not hiring back end developer, company is only hiring one full stack developer, and that is responsible for the complete project. And suppose now what will happen, first of all, full stack developer will work on the front end task. It will take around 15 20 days for the front end development, and after that he will start working on the back end task. It will also take the 15 20 days. Now if the company in case hire two developers, one is the front end developer, one is the back end developer, both the cases, in both the cases, like front end developer completes one module and give that module to the backend developer to finish that, to do that task. Like in the case of Laravel e-commerce website, we generally what we do in our companies, like we ready this home page and we will give to the developer that you can start working on this one. Then this the listing page, then a detail page, like whatever part is ready they can give to the developer and they can work on those, so that speed up the task. So here if the see so here everything, full stack developer is responsible for complete task, so that person can only do when one task gets over, only then he can do the another task. So here uh, we will write company relies on one person only, so or we will write time will increase, development time will increase. Okay, project development time will increase, project. Okay, so project development time will increase because uh, full stack developer is responsible for everything. He will first do one task, then another, then another. Okay, so this is the drawback to the company. And now let's see the another one. uh, it's always a challenge. Okay, challenge to work, uh, even the full stack developer knows everything, but it's a challenge to work in all platforms. Okay, all platforms, all. Okay, so uh, on the one side, full stack developer working on the coding as well, he is responsible for the css as well. So when there is the shortage of time and there are too much tasks, then even he is having the complete knowledge but he don't have that much time, that is the precious kind of thing. So it's really a challenge to work in all platforms, in all tasks, in all the like front end, back end. Okay, so it's the challenge. Okay, so uh, too much workload, so this is one and same thing, too much workload. Okay, uh, so efficiency decline. So spelling of efficiency decline. Okay, so too much due to too much workload, so efficiency decline. So that is not good for the project, that is not good for the company as well. So these are some of the things I have explained you in this video. What is the stack developer, or we can say the full stack developer? Okay, what is the front end developer, what is the back end developer, what is the client side coding, what is the server side coding, advantages of the full stack developer, disadvantages of the full stack developer. There is one more development, and that I want to tell you, that is the mean stack developer. Okay, so mean stack developer are those persons who are only involved in the coding of MongoDB and express.js, express.js and angular.js and node.js. Okay, so only the person who can handle this task will be called as the mean stack developer. Okay, so I hope that it is very much clear. I want to show you once again here, like if you will search for the stack developer here, I want to show. uh, so here we can see the images will come up, and there are some good images I have seen on net that can explain. While see, this is kind of an image that with that you can able to understand it very much clearly. Okay, you can see full stack developer and the specialized developer. See here, full stack developer can do jQuery, PHP. Okay, so many things he can able to do. And the specialized developer, this is the expert in just one thing. Okay, so you need to decide whether you want to do the full stack one, want to be the full stack developer, or you want to be expert in one thing. My personal opinion that you must go for the expertise in one thing, like I am doing the Laravel. Yeah, it's better if you will know all the technologies, but be expert in one thing and go for one thing, and be aware of all the things like we are doing. See, okay, so this tag developer is the name of the channel that we have done because of all these things 3 years back. Okay, so if you have any queries, then you can surely ask me in this tag development, okay, in the full stack development. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.